Assalamu alaikum balin Gambian kolu bi fanan na da kala konton kafali ko alhamdulillah summa alhamdulillah tumala min Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala aya sonan dinye na sunkaro sun fam futata sunkaro la temoto odon be ala tentula man saba me ya lonko wole o kenon toliye alhamdulillah alhamdulillah mbade mon dron comme manna ka mejam bake bi bari comme natla dron katonya fo nyoye bayin nimmini mino siata katonya fo nyoye amin wodon naka cool de lano wala naka cool sunanino minin saren tonya lebe labanna minin saren tonya wodon be labanna annum wo tonya nyin mbe wala fola dunia be ya moy nafikol siata anu nafikol la kelo même le kelo di fonso fo nyoy sign so sign nyonene wo bandala sign nyonene say wo bandal mbe to yana folo nyoy and we move to the right direction ntolle mu gambiet nin kon tolleta mu gambiyati ntol gambiyati dingulu ntolleta mu gambiyati andum ntolle fanambe gambiyati dala no ntolleta mu gambiyati de andum ntolle fanambe gambiyati dala no ntol gambiyati dingul bari nina kuje me ya lonko abe gambe murundi lo koma fonsina muru kodonke nafo nyoe na kuje me ya lonko abe gambia murundi la koma fonsina muru nyo kan na kumo fo nyoye me ya lonko abe kala kumo ne dionti kumo ne dion fo no fo nyoye mbade wolu mini malako siata hasidia siata tonya fo balia siata nyimbanko kan sain nyintembe bari mbe tonya la fo lo nyoye we move na ta nyato yaje nyimbanko nafiko financiata bak alma ala yatinye amo kendo siata nyaming anafiko financiata wala nyama alma ala yatinye especially the so-called activists the so-called activists and ninko the so-called activists they always think it can miro ko itolela miro ka tarian tolla miroti bari al salon kontrol fana hakilo be mbalale e kamera comme itolle loken tolti e kamera tolle kobe lon tolti bari salon kontrol fana hakilo be mbalale alay hakilo di mbelale alay sondemo di mbela kam mira wallahi suma wallahi allanda kam min nyo koma allanda ka dende tonya koma wallahi Gambian kolu lefta drong kachanyim ba kumas nan dulado be kachanyim bond lan dulado kana kachanyim samanan dulado na mol ye janne ye mol sika ye samba kiti bunkono ye samba kiti ola jang anum bi la diamo nya abakala direct words la di ntakala there is not going to be any indirect words here na diamo kono mbe momum fala drom mbe marñol tolle fola the so-called activists mbe ya kalam danu janne Rohi Malik Law kabul registration o ketanu jang ka fo molu wulita ye Rohi Malik Law samba kitiola e ko katum milekata loi man sembo di pour Rohi Malik Law ay attestation di molla o keta jan Gambia fo man ke jang ye Rohi Malik Law samba kitiola kidio ye na kono ma fo ala ya ki Rohi Malik Law ye bulo ay no kidio jun kono jang mol sudo jang ya kumba jete bilo dundi National Assembly ya kumba yo bilo dundi National Assembly kono iko koni manya na kele ya samba kidi bunkono iko ya win asoto na nyimbanko kanjang bali Gambian kono iko democracy ansa mbole kelak asoto na nyimbanko kanjande alen kana nyina asoto na nyimbanko kanjande jumalle wo molti wolem de activist iko itol mambo patito itol manta patito bali ka karafa ele de bali ko itol manta patito ibe denere ndorong ebe dendere ndorong ebe ko dendere na dorong nie ma control montra partido now but sai wo mol mi lelo ko montra partido e ka koje karama fam kilometro e ka wuli ha ye ko ye karama fan kilongo dron ye wuli e ko e ka ko kelele bar na fini la karama fan dron ye si ye bulo la nyoka e be wusu husula e be ngunu hunula e buke la kola je e be ngunu la dron duma be ngunu la dron duma be ngunu la dron but they will never come and react. They will never come and react. Kabo Ali Bula, Carnyon lebe nyola. Ali Bula, Carnyon lebe nyola. Asirona nyimbango, wallahi. Asirona nyimbango kanja. Example of moment wala mnyutuko. Kabri mbea kalam dulu njana ko NPP imanta nung Congress la. Anung, ofuna mo luwa kwole. Bari, moli meli ya lonko ya kumma jere samba kitiola moli meli ya lonko yoro himale lo samba kitiola mine ya tinne mang NPP samba kitiola mine ya tinna mang NPP samba kitiola but mine ya tinne mang IEC samba kitiola because IEC they are the people meli ya lonko wala mato kola but ne atale to mu tonya moleti mine ya tinne mang IEC samba kitiola mine ya tinne mang NPP samba kitiola kanyoko NPP mang congress ke kanyoko emanta dibito londila but sulu saji male muti de e kalaf lo doro yena ye CC nyaaya CC oje bare buka mala ni atara dol la kola buka mala but ni UDP la kola e ka CC le ne CC toje nanaje mala anything about UDP ibe CC la mbele CC oje la ina muru ko ke mala those so-called activists but we know what is their plan and we know minamu na londe minamu la feroti ne la ferolon they are hiding behind tribes ibe mamoru sion la koto nyimbango kanjang ibe mamoru sion la koto ibe because it's a tactics. It's a dividing tactics it can use. But there are so-called activists, mel be noma, mel ni bute binakam, e me la fero long, but yi malong ko, wala fero man ke nyintuko, ka gambe bondi, but la fero mo nyinako, ka onos kakafudol fasa. Kakafudol ta ke fasa, ila miro mwaleti, ila hamo be mwaleti. If you can take Rohimaliglo to court, if you can take Yakuma to court, why you cannot take NPP to court? Minat nema NPP samba kitiola. Minat nema NPP samba kitiola. But because Melekada, they don't care anything about NPP, but anything about UDP, they will defend, they will want to make sure your core norma, like UDP is the government. And we know, Ekajumanle Forentaike associated with UDP. 100%. Niko momo yoko 100% UDP do. Eka jumale associate UDP la. And again, those eka mel associate ko wala UDP do. Wal fon la kada wulu ko dange koko UDP kele. Betonyala folo nyoy de. Betonyala folo nyoy. Hey, ndala future is not in the hands of anybody. My future is in the hands of God. Betonyala folo nyoy. Nindiamu de ko we are tribalists, but we are not tribalists. Ika mandika dewol leje mandika dewol because yalon kukile be kanyina foko mandinkolu are always divided, so let's come together and fight against them, because anytime we are fighting, anytime we will have agents be agent tolle sotla and those agents will be there wo agents sol me yalon ko be tarlaje will be there to fight against their own people, so let's have neutral people me yalon kono. But at the end of it, ni yala fero beke suto ida Malaysia meeting suto wo kila wala ka siya meeting al tejala flibulo ni findita bandali amiranum they are divided. No, they are not divided. Billahi, they are not divided. Itolle bulo be nyokono itolle ka na fulo dila itolle ke balundi fale amiranum e mambalu glassero fale amiranum look e ka juma nene. Those so-called activists mele alongo ke fanke ko they are civil societies. No, they are not civil society de. Wallahi, they are not civil society. Mole ye ki. Ibe nugo ke kan kafole. And those wakafo nyi wealo loko, nyi mol mele alon kabi loko ke kanye, inyota ka balule, inyota ka fenda soro, inyota ka do kuranga soro. Isa ka make sure le suilo ko menti ya ke. Because ikoloko nimma mo soro. Me ya alon ko the person is going to be kind of neutral person. Left kilometer and takelano. So they fight us. They use ways eka silo le use silo me alon control fawol dengulu ndol fawlu kono molu iba wala use to divide us when itol ba kata ka yake kilomiti ndol mele alonko e kan tol associate with UDP e kan tol fawul ta ndol fawul diwul because Gambia kono jang to yabe for dam wala nyindi ko they are only associating UDP with Mandinkos me to yala folo wallahi me to yala folo wala ya tinna surwa diwul mel ben kono on the floor mel ben kono on the sea ko tawul mel ben kono e ke suku e ke ta e ke push na ke balkan e ka woleta e ka foko na lafta alla patio e baraka al karita ha na lafta la patio mule naji al kar jolong ali karita. This is it. Look, you know, Madu will say, I mean, Tonya saying, but Tonya Siloto, you know, we have for the Tonya for you. Ha. So, a minute for the side, Wakarnul for a minute, they set teams. Yakata Yakafun Kafun low. When they come to us, in the Kafun low, they call them Kaburu. They will form Kaburu. And the Shobayako, Ntol Nina and Tolka, instead of Yanam Kang, we join as one family, they will try and make sure you divide within us. Even divide, even talala within us. As different set or different teams. Which is called Kaburu. Which is called Kaburu. So you can summon a cantolomuta yentala. Because you can kilometer. So we are going to divide them through our own people. Through their own people. Mbele mole usela na mole use ne divide. So by local they will never move forward. The truth must be told. The truth must be told. So eka jumale use nyuna saying they have different people. They use the journalists. Eka journalists all useless. They use civil society members. Mole mele alongo. Eka fan called so-called civil society members. They use those people. Eka mole ta ye use ye kinan kang ye na ye muta ye divide. When we are struggling, how we are going to unite with them. So until we struggle, kang ni be kila kilometer nyaming, but it all me like wise already. It all yela ka force they be divide la nyaming. When we are struggling, put until near kilometer. To nyala be folade. Until ka katoke put near kilometer, but it all ka katoke be divide la nyaming. So we have to be intelligent now. For Natani hakilo saying, Najeko, what is going on? Me never caring. Ndolko naka kilud ndolko banko kelo be kala nin niyola nyanda ka bojem tolle ko mbanya don ko yal they will never lead it. They will never lead it. Any fight dawda yalon ko niyo se bono jele ndolle ba lead la ndolle ba nya don ko yala it all they will never lead it. And when we are succeeded, they use their tools and come and divide us. Ha. Niaje control succeeded, they use their tools and come and divide us. Yentala to different segments. The truth must be told. Wallah Azim. Any fight here about this country, about the progress of this country, we will always lead it. But when the fight has been won or won, what is going to happen? It can make a whole of Nindiko. They send their agents to come and divide us. They send their agents to come and take the benefit. And our people will be there opening their mouths. And when we are divided, at the end of it, you can see in Kara, Ebe Jelena. Saite Fonti Fongolabang. So, to make it short here, let's go to Panderi. That boy, Panderi. Who is Panderi? Jumalam Panderi design. Panderi be doko kikan Jumale. Yalong Gambian call Fonda Jimbelong. Jumalam Panderi. Jumalam Panderi. Panderi Touré. Jumalam Panderi Touré. Panderi Touré. Jumalam Panderi Touré. I doko kumasi muntole. I be doko kikan muntole. Jumala karandi doko wala. Jumala Panderi karandi doko wala. Panderi be doko wala Jumala koto. Jumala ka Panderi jo. Panderi mu Jumala agentoti. It needs to be known. Panderi ka kan Jumala fo. When doing his propaganda. I am telling you this. Panderi need yamuta manega come out ayamoi. And no Panderi can speak Mandinka, but you never heard Panderi speaking Mandinka. Aye bam maninga kawata fola. You know, I mean. So if you call such person as a tribalist, you say you are a tribalist because it's not tribal. Pandere ning anything. Akamol interview anything maninga kawata ya foje. Aba amoyela ada sonna kenyi nkane maninga kawata never. Because but ya jabi mena maninga kawata I amoy amina benyi nkala in surwa kawata. That's the way he act. Because he doesn't want to speak Mandinka. Anu maninga kawata ka amoy. Aka long ika memfo in Mandinka and nabe nyina kala to sonna kenyi nkala maninga kawata de abe nyina kala in surwa kawal. And you are telling me that person is not a tribalist? That person is not a tribalist? He is 100% tribalist. That way I mean for well be caring. Pandering man left Mandinkola and he was been Derba juma level dokola. Panderba dokola Star FM. From Star FM de. Star FM to Star TV. Abe dokola wolto. How many people lebe dokola wolto ye bay? Moje lebe dokola wolto ye bay. Ye lebe dokola tinya. Because of their neutral journalism. Because of journalism they are neutral e kafola be nyama nyama. But Panderi is an agent. Panderi came to Star FM and Yusuf Dabo Tarajele. But what did they do? Yusuf Dabo Tarajele, he is aligned with the political party. Yusuf Dabo Bay. But the Panderi Yulbulaje, ye trophy. Even our own Dolphonta, our own Sajo Baro. Our own Sajo Baro Bedokolaje, ya make sure Sajo must dance to their own tune. If Sajo doesn't dance to their own tune, you will make sure they Sajo Bay. Our own Sayabaro turn and fight against us. Sayabaro Musa and he fight against us. They are people, they are agents of people, they are agents of mafias, they are agents of tribalists. Alko Nkana Ofo. Who are you people? Jumala Mato de Merton Totofola. Pander Ture, Abedokola Alpha Garaga Koto. Alpha Garaga. And Haji Baniko. As for Garaga and Haji Baniko, those people are all tribalists. Tribalist already. If you go back to their village, you can go, what about Ntola Gambia? Pandere Turabe Dokola Walla Kota. Pandere Dokola Walla Kota. So what is their intention now? Walla Nindeko. Ale Menja Pandere Menkumasten is a complete game. Ya Bulalale. Yabulal. Now they have seen that right now. So because Minaka Pander is somebody me along aka fence on Rohimalik Lo Bulle. So saying Abelaflen Yanako, Rohimalik Lo okay, Rohimalik Lo can stay as a mayor in Banjul. But saying Iliaki to convince Roy to push Roy into a dimension me alongo Roy functional apogo in fact and I'm gonna be an independent candidate. Ha. Because ya kila purka Roy tinya. Ya kila purka Roy tinya. So Panderi alongo because I can benefit sort of from Roy. Because these are people me alongo Roy always feed them. Roy ke makoel. Because Roy like to help. Roy mu multi me alongo I makoero akalef makoero kelale. So Pandere nyol keda multi during the struggle before the election, ye useless. Ye Pandere nyol useless. They have been using them. Yam fon la mol target. Eka kumol di na mol da. And at the end of it, near kumol da dong yasia. Ya kumol da dong yasia. They were people they were using their I mean 6 and 9. Ye make sure ye la tactical use and divide. So Pandere mu molti me alonko, those were the people that ye use very well to separate the Mandinkos and the other tribes. He's an agent. Agent told him to come Mandinko take separate with another tribe. You are a tribalist. How are we tribalists? When we are always there, don't let intentional munyantoko nisi dole bekran yani badin kabakilim fakilim. Mandinko le ono Kasio be sindi. Mandin kolono kasio be futu. But saying as we are speaking right now, I commanding ko ibe judundila, ibe sio be judundila tolla. That's their plan. So now in a plan movement wala nyundo karohi Malik Law ni UDP dundi nyola. What they were doing before, now is the time because now they knows very well. They knows very well. They calculate very well. Roy could able to win election. As keno Roy be election of win no banyun. But say be make wala nyundo ko Roy sa win no le. But they don't want Roy to win election under the ticket of UDP. They want Karoy Jurundi, Karoy ka living. You don't know these people. So before UDP the congressman is coming, they will do their utmost best to divide us. Billahi intelligent fali. Let's watch this space. Ibela katoke la purukan talaja na Congress. Our Congress is supposed to be in December, right? Good. Now Congress is in December. But I am telling you, before the Congress, they will do their utmost best. Ya make sure you're not patriotic. Because Adamabaro ko abe UDP Taylor. So Adamabaro ma Keno, ama UDP Teno. Now they are using their agents. Now they are using their agents. And their agents are going to be civil society. So you will see the government will try to have good rapport with the civil society. But that good rapport with the civil society is not among to the interest of the Gambia today, but to the interest of Adamabaro and his people. For the interest of Adamabaro and his mafias. So they will use the likes of Panderi and the others. Albebe told you one by one. They will come one by one. So Panderi, these are people Malayalongo. I mean, they want to put Roy and UDP into trouble. So he left a Royta, Roy during the UDP la, Royta Kamaro Yoko Emaji UDP Kolu, ha he left Talib Lela, UDP Kolu, he left a Karla. So because these are the people. Ita ko them neutral journalism. When the GPU na fiki dewulu. We know the people in GPU. Now learn the more about GPU. They fought against somebody who was there. Do you think we don't know? When Sirif Junior was there, they were fighting Sirif Junior. And they were using our own people to fight Sirif Junior. When Sirif Junior was at GPU. Fujiwamalo. They used Lamin Jai, our own people, Lamin Jai. Lamin Jai was used against Sirif Junior. By the same people, by the same mafias. When Sirif Junior was the president of GPU. From Majajang, Lamin Jai Sirif Junior a journalist want to interview your own journalist. During Yakuma Jadala Kiti Wato, from Mokalam Dajang in 2019. Kanaka Mayakota, Kata, Carlo Sirif Junior, the Kapoko, Sirif Junior interview, just to distract him. Because just to make sure Dunia Juru Sirif Junior, one of the most intelligent journalists in this country. Mobe Alon Sirif Mumol is one of the most professional journalists in this country. I do ko Dunia Beto. But Yaminake, Lamin Jai use, Dumanle use the same people, the same Saragules are the people who use Lamin Jai to fight against Sirif Junior when Sirif Junior was at GPU. That is why Sirif Junior have to give his position out. What now a position of D, Ayabula, because Sirif Junior knows who are the people there. Because they don't want him. They don't want him. Iman Lafala. Sirif Junior. So yeah, make sure they do their utmost plan with all the love Sirif Junior mentioned, with all the transformation Sirif Junior mentioned. They fight against Sirif Junior when he was there. They fight against Sekou Jambe. So they fought against Sekou, they fought against Sirif Junior, they fought against even Mustafa Memfongotaraje. He's not with them there, but they will never want to see any of our peoples there. We don't know. You think we don't know their plan? We know their plan. So they want because il a fait un moment where you to go GPU to be controlled by the people who are there. Imagine what they want. That's what they are doing. Mobe alongo pandere kulubali yake. Mobe alongo pandere divide pandere kuke me alongo asa Gambia dundi no trouble kono. Mobe alongo pandere lefta ka patio tei patio me alongo o patio le struggle ke fobi democracy me ken mango kanya o patio le struggle fobi journalist ka hanyi mendi ata ya fanyi bango kanya o patio la mol fata o patio la mol borta. The party may struggle ke be that party is the party me alongo they are labeling as tribalists. o party o me alongo bi wala ya tinda bi pander nyol dol ke daela ka diamu nyum banko kanja because the likes of panderu who are they where are they during the struggle but party o me alongo wala mol fata jang during the struggle ila mol fata ila mol borsa party o me alongo ay sio be la commande be alongo kamno UDP kalo jumale UDP lo nyola where is Uncle Yaya Jallow? Uncle Yaya Jallow nyol wala UDP lo. Uncle Yaya Jallow is a fuller, but with all that, they are still calling UDP as a Mandinka party. And they are only calling UDP as Mandinka party. So Kamenga wala nyundi koha, now we know what are you going to do. Now let me make aside. Let's look at the election. Na election ojibe. Akakanyame. Election on Bea Jibe drum. So the problem is, you never be able to command Ninko and Akela Kilundi. So say Bemeka when you go say Bemeka will you go Ninko and Rasta we will divide the Mandinkas. Be divide lale, ne tala, ne jurninola, na karana dol nyuta nebe kafunyoma. So one of the lives of Coach Pasamba Jonyolu, sometimes near Jibe they are neutral. These people are not neutral people. They are agents of mafias. And these people are agents of mafias. I just want to help Gambian people here. Probably I understand. These people are agents of mafias. Coach Pasamajo. Banka money of all. Kabila about America nata jang. Banka nyol le hena nang. Even environmental tinyakang. Yena musolu bay la parokono. Ibe chenye biola je. Yena musolu bay. Dentin British. You never heard Coach Pasamba Joe talking about that environmental damages. Remember caring at Saro, Denton Bridge. That environmental damages, me alongo. Iba kekan Saro. Coach Pasamba Joe will never talk about that. You only see Coach Pasamba Joe. He made an attack on Adama Barrow when Adama Barrow attacked Uncle Sidia. Because of what? Uncle Sidia is in PDOIS. Is in the same party with him. But the likes of Coach Pasamajo and others, they all know very well. Because the way Adama Barrow was going, we should all come together and join a single party. Mayor Lonkolam UDP. They will have spoke to the likes of Aliva and Sidia during the election. Kafayoko, you know that PDOIS cannot win an election, and Adama is taking the country in the wrong direction. So let's us all join hands together and join UDP na Banko Bond. Because they all know that Honorable Usenu Dabo is capable. Coach Pasamajo always say, Mayor Usenu is somebody he loves this country. Eko Usenu Karant. Eko Usenu Londo Sato. Eko Usenu Nyimbanko Kanu. Eko Usenu Kelo Kanyimbanko. But they will never want to join Usenu Kanyimbanko Bondi. They will never want to join Usenu Mako. Usenu Kaman Sata Nyimbanko Kanja. What is stopping them? If they love this country, a party you know that, a party which you know, there is no way that party can able to get, this country. No way. Mbeya lo ko PDOIS na Nyimbanko yurula no at all. Because in a philosophy it doesn't match with the mentality of the Gambian people. But now they will form parties, they will divide. I swear, wallahi, summa wallahi. I am telling you, the lives of Esafal, the lives of Ali Vasalla, the lives of Mama Kande, all these other political parties, if they join hand, if they join UDP, because they all know UDP was having numbers, I am telling you, we will have, this election cannot even be cheated. The election cannot even be cheated. Election of the Sunyala, no. But why? Why they didn't join us? Why? And I know, there are other people, they are having tribal sickness in their brain. If they saw Esa Fall with UDP, they saw Ali Vasala with UDP, they will vote for UDP. Because they only don't vote for UDP because they feel like those who are in UDP are only Mandinkos. Let's call a spade a spade. There are only few. They are not Mandinkos, they vote for UDP. Roy Malik Loy Kodoje Ledin Jen Sanjal. I'm an investment Roy Malik Loy Walakan Jen Sanjal. I bought hollow dealer, I found be a dealer. But that never changed their mind because they look at UDP as anti all tribes. And UDP is a party me along. It goes to the door of everybody. UDP and party me akata mobile bundala ka knock. We don't sideline any political party here. But we've all seen here, NPP was sidelining all the Mandinga settlement. But that doesn't stop the Mandingas not to follow NPP. Mbea kalamta jande. NPP and Mandinga settlement nota ayabe bulaje. Ala mitungulu be ayabeke into the other tribe settlements. During the presidential and even this last tour, NPP make sure loko ala campaign ala campaign ayabeke other settlements me alonko they are not Mandinga settlements. So Mandingos, we cannot know. Yes, still we are divided. Mbe nyabala answer mbe talari. Ni diamu deko you are tribalist. Call me a tribalist. Call me a tribalist. Nkuman afanya mu tribalist, no problem. But wallah, I know what I am saying. That's the truth. Walam tonyati. Walam tonyati. Londo mobe alo wallahi ni londo lam. Londo be Usain Dabo bulu kanyem banko bondi. Ning hamo lam. Usain Dabo ya hamo sita pur kanyem banko bondi. Ah, now? This na kumula fa kwa na dile. Ha. Yes? Mbealon. They were doing all sacrifice. December 11, Jumala Nyaton Kayaja. Manika Dimula Nyaton Kaya Lamishan. December 11. December 30th. On the 14th of April, Jumala Nyaton Kaya, Manika Dimula Nyaton Kaya solo Sunday. 16th of April, Jumala Nyaton Kaya, Manika Dimula Nyaton Kaya La Usion Dabo. 9 May, Jumala Nyaton Kaya, Manika Dimula Nyaton Kaya Sukaida Haba. We are tribalists. How can you call us tribalists? We don't when we are out, let's come out and fight against injustice. So ni atara mandinkol man COGB. Mandinkol ko kabanko bondi. Why? What is stopping other people not to join us? Panderi kulubale yake, panderi furia, panderi nyolbe nafiki yala, panderi nyol mumoti mele alonko, molle ba marake la kola. Do you think we don't know? Hey, we know a lot about panderi. We don't want to talk. Now come on, I find out bondi. I find out juice there. Juma malo. We know a lot about Pandey. We just don't want to talk. You might lay Pandey down. Pandey mission on Metina Belon. So Usandabo Finti, I remember I come over Pandey may along what sort of that, whatever caring. The so-called press union, Ekoka will condemn. But you don't condemn the division Alafaka men cause in a party in one of the most, most important, one of the biggest political parties in this country. Somebody who want to divide that party, who want to bring division in that party, and more condemn. Such kind of irresponsible journalism. Such kind of irresponsible journalism. Somebody who want to do who was doing irresponsible journalism. And more condemned it. But you condemn a leader meant to protect his party. Mr. Dabo was only out to protect his party. He was not out for any other reason. He was only out to protect his party. That's all. Because there is an element, you want an enemy who want to destroy our party, who want to divide our party. Mr. Dabo Finti, I offer so-called activist Montoya for Pandere, somebody who want to bring division in this country. You want to bring an internal problem in our party? To address that publicly. Publicly. They are only playing game against us because they know Ngamewali. Now they only want to divide us in Banjul because they want to get Banjul. They want to get Banjul. So with all the money Royka Mendila, they want to get Banjul. They want the Kajako Roye. They want to make sure the Kajako Roye fell down. Put Roye boy to Mulanganiot. Allahu Akbar. Karoinu UDP called Kwendi. That is their intention. They have no other intention. Now man kewot. Now man kewot. Now man kewot. They have no other intention. Now man ka UDP tay. Now man ka UDP go dama adunyola. That is the only intention they have. But wallahi alamu kilolti. Allah wa'idun qahar. Alamu mansa kilolti. Nasi najibe fa to lebe tela ba fo UDP lebe tela. Nasi najibe. Ila fero be manga fendi. They will use the likes of Panderimbai and others, the likes of Lamin Jai and others to fight UDP, to fight Mandingos, to make sure we are divided. Billah, I'm going to divide them. They will make sure they over divide us through appointments. I don't know about make sure and divide appointment on la Carola. Yajiba the way he's going to do his appointment a division through ministerial appointment, through government appointment, through ambassadorial appointment, through protocol appointment, through cabinet appointment, about Bekele in a way to divide us, believe in me, because they have seen the results and they know what is the mentality of the Gambian people. Emma Malo, Ganyajel, Ganyajel, Ganyajel. When UDP was in the government, Njen Sanjal, when UDP was in the government, who was leading Njen Sanjal? Jumala Njen Sanjal. They don't give it to UDP. They don't give it to UDP. But now they want to give it to NPP. For what reason? Alors, Tonyale be follow Noele. Tonyale be follow Noele Senea. Do you think the tactics they may use in Kabada, Palma Longo NPP tactics them? In Care Central, is their own tactics. Care Central. Ikoha, Favasanyang and Nindo, they are all from the same place. So we are going to put our own candidate in Kabada. So let them divide their vote. Imagine UDP man votes on UDP out kata ko in Kabada. La misane kata ko in Kabada. But they still don't care about us. No. They don't care about us. They don't care about whatever la misane menke. They voted woefully against us. They protect their own self. They protect their own self. Yembale karteola. When I had, Deputy Melora Sabah Sanjal, I want to tell you a history. What is the history of that deputy? What happened in Sabah Sanjal, wala mnyuntiko, Ahmed Ba, wala sefia bondi nyimboyo nying ala parents soul bulu. Ahmed Ba, wala sefia bondi, ayadi onelo group la, for political reason. So Ahmed Ba, sefia bondi nyindol bulu, ayadi nyindol la, say Sefia after Sefia but blood on to know. Say well those parties, those people are trying to Sefia in ta. Will never Sefia in ta sign. So in Bowman Ganyeta, of course, fighter NPP because Mlekata, and after ye Sefia the Afara, a farmer. And when he was campaigning, that was part of his words. And after prayer Sefia the Afara, but if Ahmed Bala party or no nata. Well, Ahmed Ba was supporting his party because Ahmed Ba, the chief there is supporting Ahmed Ba. Chief member Jabe, Ahmed Ba support kan. Ahmed Ba patio. So they form this card and the Adamaloko look. Ahmed Ba is not in control of Njen Sanjal. So ni lafta kajako, Njen Sanjal sort of saying, say ibe sefia dilan tolala, ntolle sembo sort of you, what na independent select, independent ibe wala wafil Adamaba in exchange of chieftaincy. Nimbe malo. Wala atina ko another B, Asenano NPP, be pseudo famina NPP, because he is waiting for that. pour afa adama ya fa ke sefoti pour adama ya fa ke sefoti but we all know jumalem sefoti nu jumalem tam sanjalti sanjal mu jumala tam yen sanjal mu jumala tati jumala mu man salti woto but milakata the division ole keje they will divide us and suppress us to make us zero and we will never ndol taw detect la at all man ni ka dewul na ta detect la at all ndol betale dogo dogo la ndol kon ni yeke baadi wuti bari dol ta sonna pour ni ka baadi wuti carte fe me nyaajel if you go into some of these areas ikatara e buga carte fendi UDP because comme lekala so say so len joye sen carte so say that is their word so say bulan jox sen carte but ñun so say nak ñun bobu du sun halal because loolu moo tax ñun soose yi dañoo mexoon na ñu jox leen liggéey dañoo mexoon ñu jox leen lu leen bëggoon donc man ni nga dewul ka mexoon la ko wo siolu su tam bëggoon to lefta nieke kilomètre ñun dañ bëgg pour gaay yi nekk suñ boka ndo lefta pour nieke kilomètre nse fengol ke nse boholol dila nse masimol dila nse kool dila for us to be with them because lefta nieke kilomètre because we are one family ndo leen ni be sering dol be jël fon to le sindi but mi nagada e quand même faut la wala ñu ko bu len jo sosé so len jëwé sen kata di len daha ibal baylale na len la kata di le bal baylale so len jëwé sen kata de len neka fi do len neka dara na len la kata di la albatara jaan tekele fenti wallahi suma wallahi man ni ko e siyo be kanu ñu banko ko ñam be sonda wala sosé dañ bu ko het yep bu naka ci dëgg bi fi ñun hamut affaire hajalo sosé hamut affaire hajalo lol mora so cheke nga gis na ñun sun parti li la lay Ousainou Numbu Kunda Darboe lan la sosé la bot ñaar jabar yépp du sosé because ñun xamul hajalo bot batay ñu ngi wax ne waaw UDP parti sosé la bot ñun sun député parti li la aji yamu ndaw aji yam sega Olof Njaay la ñun sun naw son président aji yamu ndaw yabo sosé amin Olof Njaay la ñun sun député président Roy Malick Lo Olof Njaay la dañu wara xalaat lolu yow nan ngay wara gom lolu lolu yow da xamne deug deug aji yam ndaw yabo mu ci UDP aji yam ndaw yabo aji yam seka mu UDP yow lutax beta yow da ay gom wax bobu nonu façon wax bobu nonu ñaata at sosé ñu fi ak yeen ñaata at sosé ñu fi ak yeen sosé def na len lepp beta yeen da yam gom lolu nonu you want to believe such kind of word from those lunatic people the likes of Panderi Mbay the likes of so-called activists. But they are only doing activities for their own personal interest. Don't you we don't know? Because they have no work. They have no work. They are look, they are job seekers. They are job seekers. We know it. They are job seekers. Belalam fawala wallahi. Wala tinanko. Nko. alla particle party olandi mfoye anamba dum fo jibe ba itamu jumalati ni mo jududele chemon ni mo jududele what should you do mo judutalla mo le ko mo be falma mo bal nenna fa pander dindim kulubalo men ko Ousainou Darboe nek pander dindim kulubalo men ko Ousainou Darboe nala Ousainou Darboe la molta ke ko dindim ñola fa pander la fisana dolti o dindim furul mo di bajala ko wo dindim furul wolu ise jole si yake yela siol fasa yela mol fasa ya ejen yake la mole but to la mol ko they are civilized. Our people say yes they are civilized, it all civilized tele. But the likes of Panderi Mbay and the core, the likes of Coach Pastor Majaw and the core, they will do their kind of activism or journalism to defend their people, to cover up, as a cover up. As a cover up. But in Tolamolgo, yes, we are civilized. We want to do things as it is. We want to do things as it is. How many years you are doing things as it is? How many years they are still suppressing you? They want to kill your tribe. They want to kill your destiny. How many years? You are doing things in the right way. How many years? You be suppressed. You be kuobe keke la jam. Nyimbango kanya. You be duty la. You be alpha nena. What? You be kapla nyoma. You want to say as it is. You want to do as it is. But you be duty la. You have to learn to call to learn jomoti nyimbango kanya. Jumala molo. Nimbe tonya nyoe. 22 years suppression tarajam. Yena mol fa. Yena mol bite. let's call a spade. E jumala faja. Dede Haidara man nika dewolam. Ya faja ne. Because mina kada abe kelola abe tonyala. Man nika dewolam. Dede Haidara. Dede Haidara. Kif Ibrahima Mane. Kif Ibrahima Mane ya faja ne man nika dewolam. Ya faja ansa ala molo maji. Man nika dewolam. Kif Ibrahima Mane. Kif Ibrahima Mane. Solo sende ya faja manika dewolem abe kelola la ako be Gambia la bondi la juma la mo xalam ta jang juma ñi la tawol jang solo kuruma manika dewolem ya faja ne juma la mo xalam ta jang la maro manika dewolem ya faja juma la ma xalamuta saya kunya sane manika dewolem ya faja juma la ma xalamuta fakeba ko liñol be. These are people, they are from our tribe. They give their life to salvage this country. Now, these people are laughing at it. President Barrow is saying that, Akawo Furaulu, Billahi wallahi ta'ala. Wanango President Barrow, Nasi Nedi Allah, we give it to God. Eko kan tolle suppress. Eko kan tolle hadani. Nasi Najib, Alamu Masakilo. Allahu wa'idun kahar. Alamu Masakilo. Alamu masakilonda Allahu wa'idun kahar alamu masakilondi nasi najibe wallahi azim fo kan tollen yo ko yandi najibe Basiru Kamara Basiru Baro yebe fajam because mleka ko manika demol la mudi billahi wallahi nyim banko kanjam because ko manika demol la mudi ye fajam because mleka ko banko yebo e kon tolle Gambia soto ye fajam hey let us call a spade a spade. Allah kar naka kilowdi alan kana song nak lu ñola TRRC you will count the number of people they went through hell, they went through malpractices in this country. You count them, they are from weak tribe. Let's percentage it. Yes, still it was siola man in bankola. Because whenever they set UDP wrong, they are talking about the Mandinkos. What was Nico UDP drunk? Money. So say Ila. I was in a taxi, a stupid taxi driver, a UDP motoji. I go, guy, they don't never deal blocks in traffic like so say. Messira Blanc goes, guy, you chaffing them, you and I you fojoge. Guy, you and I you fojoge. So I mean, I have to attack him immediately because I have to attack it immediately directly. Guy, so say Lelendef. Guy, so say Lelendef. Guy, you did the blocks in traffic, so say Kai, the new nigga fear, the new hatal. So say Kana hatal. So say Kana hatal fee. Whenever it's fight, we will lead the fight. Whenever it's fight, we will lead the fight. What do want Kelobe Kek and John until we will always come out and fight. Anything Yalongo Kelobe Yodron, Alongo we are going to lead it. Mba Nyadon Kayala, Mekelokela to our last dot. Until the Kelobe Mo at the end of it, they will come and jump on us and divide. And they will take the benefit. Whenever they are seeing success in us, they will come and try to divide us. After election, they were all silenced. Immediately after election, all these so-called journalists were silenced immediately after election. But Kabili election, parliament election, no, UDP man fade, they all start coming. Ndolamol laka fa, ndolamol laka sacrifice of beta jang. At the end of it, ning ata wato si tolka divide, nga janjang. Bukasi nga nyimbi nga janjang. Others will come together as one family. And that will never make them to join us. After us giving them all whatever they want. We give them water for them to join us. For us to make Gambia a better Gambia. Na dual dealer, na fengol dealer, na fengol civil dealer, just for Kajogo, so that they can understand ko. And they should get it from the government, not from a political party. But government is denying them. We will give it to them for them to join us. They will never do it. They will never do it because they are caricaturing us as Ntolu. We are tribalists. And Ntolu, we were always divided. Ntolu be nyo kelela. Ntolu be nyo kelela. Be nyo nenna. Be nyo kajafila. They will come and join in our WhatsApp groups. Even a WhatsApp group audio tala. But it's going to be very hard. Yen told you. Yen manika dungo jen surwala. Onta jen fulo. Onta jen sido la WhatsApp group okono. They also have WhatsApp groups. But it's very hard in a WhatsApp group okono. Yaji audio eboje. Audio ebo la WhatsApp group okono. Nantolo group okono. It's very hard. It's very hard in a WhatsApp group okono. Yaji audio e kanaje nantolo group okono. But ntolo group okono. Nga siga wolto na fail tolo group okono. Kan keta ke judu nintola. Because ntolo we are not secured. Let's call a spade a spade. The reality must be told. Tonyale be follow nyo, we move forward. Tonyale be follow nyo, we move forward. Nimman tonya fo nyo billahi wala metara stagnating, metara lorun blakilin. This is what is going on in this country. Usain Daboy hamo men sora nyim bankoy. Bi me men kono aya be fa mole ko bi nyila be kala. Nimman ga decision of this is what is going to happen. Now you still see it, but you still can't Usain Najibe. Ibe Kongo be fala, ibe Maniboro Sanka Mandaja wala, but yet still you are looking at Usain Dabo as one of the bad person in this country. I remember for B wala be caring. I remember for B wala be caring. I nimman katodi to the right party. Ako what is going to happen B wala be caring. But yet still Yaman Lala because we look at who he is. I have for Albe Chochola, Nafiki Demolo, Albe Chochola, Albe Wulu Kase Demolo. Because you don't believe in truth. And you will see our own people, because they say that so-called professionality, so-called professionality, you go to the most professionality, so-called, they will join those people to share their bogus or stupid press release. Instead of they come out and condemn their lunatic, instead of they come out and condemn their stupid person, and we will be there until Ben Delo come. It Kulubalo is Saperoke. Look, one Melia Sape from GPU. I told you more Kulubalo, I told you more money balolo. Bilawo la motafula. You have no respect for our leader. If you don't respect our leader, you expect us to respect you people. If you want to make your institution as a as a laughable institution, let it happen. And left the car, let the car get jele famoti. GPU mobe al bunya mobe al respect. You the play press conference on Jamka. We invite all the journalists, regardless of their affiliation. Whenever we have press conference, we don't differentiate. We invite all the journalists to come. We give you guys respect, and now you want to disrespect our leader for saying what it is. I am meant for all of caring. Instead of you come and condemn your stupid lunatic journalists, you are attacking our party leader. You are saying you people you don't have manners. You people are rude. You people have you have no interest for this country. There are issues you need to investigate and bring out. You are not doing it. Wasn't Gambia alone. We Wasn't Gambia. We make them as GPU. Wasn't Gambia for GPU because what they are doing, GPU is not doing even quarter of it. GPU is now scrapped. When Sekou, the moment Sekou left that place, the moment Sylvie Junior left that place become NPP office. We know it. Parliament Malo. We know what is going on there. Now, do you think we don't know it? We know who are the people sponsoring you people on the ground. We know it. The day will come, we will expose all what is going on there. Parliament Malo. Parliament Malo. Parliament Malo. We know it. We know all what is going on. You know all what is going on in GPU. Na belon. We know everything. Pander mbaye to la alfane. Pander mbaye la kanto la patiote. Patio me alongo bi wala atina. Etol bal da keso yela. Etol bal da buto yela. Pander mbaye o patio naja. Alman finta le tina pander mbaye. Fale kanal kake o patio attack. Pander mbaye to la patio neng. Patio me alongo bi wala atina bi. Ite be hanyi le be safero kala. Ite be hanyi le fo bi ka press release of mo safe. A party who fight to even give you the courage to even write such kind of bogus press release. You don't jump time here. You were not seeing such. So, but a party who fight, party who keloke, I kilo beke, ala mol fata, yala mol bunkidola, yala mol sorom, ala mol borsa, o patio e kelo ke bi fo ta hani ka diam iko ko patio la nyaton ko o patio alpha iko ko wala doya ito ñom mo doya rewo ito même fonga sa ito ñom mo kulu balo. If we don't have respect for our elders, we will never have respect for any one of you people. Fale amro say mbe sona wala say membe kala ayke, because we all know where this country is going to lie. Ngobi ko le ambe keri banko kan fontol na bataka ko le ambe nyim banko kan fo UDP ngol do na bataka bang banko bele ba ko le ataka hada nyiro membe keri fo UDP ngol da mala bataka bang hada nyiro nyimbe banko bele hada nyiro nyim taka. Let's go man futa folo, let's go, we are going, let's go. Albe na fiki yala albe tonya fo bali yala al nyanda ko le mel kele al me kele al kalka bataro le fa sa nyim banko kanya al kalka dindin kulubalo dindin na fikolu dindul mel lefton to lepati hotela al ko al ka wala fa sa ka findi al ka findi al kallo sokol nonsense press religion bon. We are ready for you people. Do you think we are not going to give respect to any stupid journalist in this country? We know all what is your intention. You are all tribalists. Do you think we don't know it? We know all of you people. You are all tribalists. We are all tribalists. Abubakar, so, I mean, a tribalist speaking to me, that's how danko. Hey, we have policies. Our policy is we have an agenda. Na agenda soto, and agenda kaula wafi. If you are patriotic, you are going to buy our agenda. Niman na agenda nyin sa to table. Ndole agenda soto. But what agenda nyin? What agenda nyin? Believe in me. If you want, you buy the agenda for the progress of this country. If you want, you buy the agenda. The agenda, we have the 5-point agenda. You join us, we move this country. But coming Kafoko, because of you have 5-point agenda, we are not going to talk about some of these issues. No, we are not going to allow any individual to disrespect our elders. No more at all. At all. Na agenda bejele. If you want to buy our 5-point agenda, come and buy it and join us. Because it's very clear. Our agenda, nobody will have doubt in our 5-point agenda. But we are not going to leave you people to insult our leaders, to caricature our leaders. We will never allow it up to our dead body. Billahi wallahi ta'ala. We have been remain silent for how many years? We've been remain silent. You've been insulting our leader. You've been caricaturing our leader for how many years? You are not giving any regard to all the difficulties he have taken to salvage this country. If you don't tell him Jarama, at least slow tap your mouth. But how can we leave you people to divide our party? But you may along be. Alba Nafiala ni men no ma be. Alba Nafiala President Barrow men no ma be. But you may along be. Wala ya sijang. But jamfa na dongo ya jambe jumala jamfa. Ya jambele sana sabo nyo la jamfa. Ay yanko turo jamfa. Ay Edward Snara nyo jamfa. But what was the end of Ya Jambe? With all the millions he have, where is Ya Jambe today? Men diata wolake. He doesn't mind about Sana Sabali. He doesn't mind about the risks Sana Sabali and Menke. All the risks Sana Sabali and Menta during the coup d'etat. I'm more care. All the risks Edward Snare and Menta during the coup d'etat. He doesn't care about that. But what happened? What happened later? After sending Sana Sabali to the prison, after removing Edward Snare, after removing Yankuba Toure, after removing Kaba Abajo, all those people he fought with them during the time of the struggle. I beg by Abala. Where is Yaya Jammeh today? Where is Yaya Jammeh today? So, President Barrow, Niamira, let's see what's going to happen in the future. Yamina Kantola Adani. Nasi Najibe. Do whatever you want to do. Because it's going to hurt the people of UDP. Let's go and see. UDP let's see Najibe. Let's see Najibe. It doesn't start with you. I'm going to start it ala. You will going to learn from Jambe. That is what you said before. That was what you said. I remember in late 2016, early 2017. I remember that was what you said. You learn from Jambe. You learn all the mistakes Jambe did. But what Jambe did, that is what you are doing today. Ya Jambe mistake all Melsoto B. It a President Barrow B. Tebe wole kekang. ya je men sana sabal nyolle keloke ay sana sabal sorom ay ko be sana sabal la at the end of it sana sabal went away. I Edward Senator Bay at the end of it. Where is Edward Senator today? Yankuba Toure, Lamin Kababajo and the others. Lamin Kababajo is here today making his life. Where is Yaya Jambe? Edward Senator is in Nigeria making his life. Where is Yaya Jambe? Sana Sabal is in Germany making his life. Where is Yaya Jambe? President Barrow. So if you think, what happened to Yaya Jambe cannot happen to you, let's go. Alamu masakilund. Allahu wa'idun kahar. Kunu nekera solo Sunday on the 14th of April o luolem solo Sunday fata fabaga tomon jata wala loda ako solo Sunday fabaga tomon jata ako solo Sunday na struggle is zero solo fongole a famo fa fabaga tomon jata wala ako solo Sunday na famo fa Allahu akbar ako solo Sunday wala a famo fa fabaga tomon jata la fanyim banko kanjang Sidi Njai lo rajang ako solo Sunday men kele ako ada lola nyim banko kanjang ako solo Sunday kelo men ka fafada ako is not going to work ako President Barrow ta kalin la nyim banko kanjang Sidi Njai bi ta ko Sidi Njai bi solo Sunday na saya lo iko yo Sidi Njai ka di number 4th person mo nanin jaw nyaton ko nyim banko kanjang ko Sidi Njai ka wolti Fabaga Tomo Njara the number 3 person in this country iko Fabaga Tomo Njara ka wolti lungu me ya longo solo Sunday fata on the 14th of April. On the 14th of April, solo Sunday fata wo lungole. Solo Sunday na celebration. Lume alonga fata. O lu ni kuya lungo nying. O lungole ko. You don't care about solo Sunday family. You don't give them nothing. You buka fendi solo Sunday na family la. Gambian call fal mo long. Yodi pen call fata lo mo lomba. The likes of Fabakar and the core. Wala ko is zero. Solo Sunday na saya is zero. Wala ko mol mele along ko be fara during the struggle. Their struggle is zero. They didn't do the fight because of Gambia, but they did the fight because of themselves. So ni fata fatale. They don't care about it. They give no regard to TRRC. Ita Mr. President B. Iko eka wole ta ke samana ka Gambian kolta ke adani. Iko ka Gambian kola hadani. Nasi najibe. Ya se pise di banko kanya ani ya jembe fon se pise de jang ni me hakiltu de commune ni me hakiltu the way you are going, let's go billahi wallahi ala lay sembo so mo beti ala lay sembo so jongo beti man sa ya siro ni we momota man sa ya siro ni we eta yebule iko mendi ate yake itele man sati do whatever you want to do itele man sati fight no problem itele man sati do whatever you want to do no problem. It's a man said fine. It's a man said. It's a man said. It's a man said. It's a man said. Let's go. Those who are saying that you are not doing good for the party. Look, let me tell you something. If I am not doing good for the party, that's left to you. I know what I'm saying is completely clear to me. We all know the agenda of UDP. Our intention is to salvage this country, to liberate this country, to put this country in the right direction. But we are not going to leave anybody to caricature us. The sonna moyen caricature, the sonna moyen sioning, the sonna moyen ta, the sonna moyen maltreat. We will never allow it. We will never allow anybody to maltreat us, because of what we want to be president. No! Because we want to lead this country. No! Because we want to salvage this country. No! Na some mo entolta yam maltreat. We will never do that. If I'm not helping my party, fine. I'm not the spokesperson of the party. I am not the spokesperson of the party. I am speaking my own mind. And what I'm saying, nobody can stop me not to say that. You tribalists. Or tribalists solo. Because let your people get away. But I know those who love this country, those who believe in truth, they will never leave UDP because they know what is inside UDP. Because they know how they are they are interacting with the party members of UDP. Molmele alon ko be sidol kono nit ñu am ne ñu ngi nekk si yeneen xeet you wanna join me mol me yalon ko imo sidole mbe yalon mel ba UDP kon wallahi ni be tona flo ñoy yalla ko they are not marginalized one simple meaning they are never marginalized in UDP never mol me yalon ko sidole la mu be UDP kon ni na tan kan haklo tout téléphone nga make sure mo moy doya mo buke doya everybody respect them nga make sure mo be e buña mo ye buña la mo le respect mo le buña ne respect esa jola am taking you mal fabe duna la ba yes mol me yalon ko we know it pa fala melo
Bayo,
yes mta jawla
ini bara. Ngai muna beje.
mela mo le ben
Ibe
me
na
yalon
ko
ko
ibe to.
to ma do min si be ka fode
Ngai ibe fen fo ka ibe to nyale fo ka wo.
esa sign be tembo me ko sign because look the truth must be told complete 5 years ibe nenna ibe kumo be falama ngo ha because leta man se ala le za haklo do leta banko ina si leta banko kilo that's our intention but say me kada fombe sunna la bank kanyulu bula ye tulun na yena alfa doya after all the struggle our people have done my brother let's call a spade na alfa fata ni banko kanya na mo le fata jang na mo le kilo be kilo na mo la nya ko kaya and be you control them more forward you control them like nyum bankola and they want us to keep to remain silent they want us to remain silent
Yalo bayo nin ko fo beta tanata. Ni ko ibe diamla yalo adama de ni lafta ka mo be satisfied ron ibe kila na difficulty. So ite tan la moli nyaanyinin na ko because of laftale joining ka wala mol be laftale na pati ta nyaata ye tonya igno ni mo borta toni mo borta kafola because of ye tonya la fo wote ite manke o kafo din kendoti andi ite fa manya kala moti me yalo ko mol nyate access la kafo kono because tonya ye ni momen kafundi wo mari te borlela hanni ngi tonya fa ba siwne ko bari ñin ko men bebe ke kan gambiate yalo ñim pander la ko bayo nde GPU ila ko en kan fa ba ke ye GPU je be men fa ke mak wala mu tonyate na fi ko le muyti kafo GPU mu kafu na fi ko le because birim pandere ñin kuma kan fo mo mel lo da ka fo roy maliki lo ko momel lota ka foro e maliki loy ko ite nyanta UDP tweet lale because he mantare treat ka fairly because of ite musuru wallet where GPU munatina they don't come out and condemn panderim baila wo word for gamra journalism I ethically sort of and I rule and regulation that nibe GPU kono you have to follow the guide of that rule and regulation for nyin kuma ka nyanta bula journalist o da kono ba
and
so ko men bota journalist o da kono GPU mo condemn ka adala fen ko stick tal yeah so ya jele journalist ne ethique lesro so ni yes nke moyle so ni ye kuma kan men fo Gambia dingu be nyanta fundi la kawo condemn instead of lawyer da wo baba
even murna evita murna
okay
evita murna because I'm not hearing you
okay
esa ibatale muno. So Gambians, I mean, you never came. So the Korea Bulala no Yama sign. Deo sign, Deo water soto. Instead of Kodo Lale, but Kodo be attended on welfare. The son of Molina Alfalta, Yutuna Alfala, the son of Molina Siota, Yutuna, and the Sio divide to Yela Yalta, Yaga Kilomuti. Yela Molta Yaga Kilomuti, Yuntolta, Yuntolta, Yundinola. We are tired of this now. Mfana mbaka tila na domandu membeje na kafunyoma na ke bakil pakluti na banko nyili ni ale banko dinna inshallah be banko do kula ko banko mo la tala nyami but comme kason ka mo bula ka kluna banko la ko danke no say no we will never allow that ka kluna alfala we will never allow that. Isa welcome.
Yeah, ba comme be men fo kandro nin ko be tata nata antul mandin kaddi ulam. Because yete bayo je ebe nin kuma kaw men fo kande jomal be funtla ke attaque abe kala mandin kaddi ulet. Jomal be funtla ke neni kuma kaw nyinna abe kala mandin kaddi ulet. Yalo adamadi ni me fam bunya mote bunya la. Bi ni ajube na society ko moni kallo ya dabo neni bake jama be jaka ken na mandin kaddi ulet. So ite mel alfal bunya. Ite ama mo kote men be banda no le ebe ku keno laba fonde banenika. So yemen fo wala mu fakti na mandin kontel mandin kat dindi wonen telephone tata ren talata bi UDP attack la babe akake mandin kollet ma fo ko UDP mandin kolleta UDP bare mandin ka alfal damma mantre politiko ko no mun ati na baro na la kube ate Halifa Sallah attack la bare mun ati na tata Sidia attack mun ati na Sidia attack. Bari problemo memu nyin ko beti ko say ye media les to men yalon ko wolle betel baka kela campaign ke so na mandin kadi ndol beje de a so stupid tele aje ko tel de intelligent so ye nene le ke manipulate kanita ni la ko nal tatal sutiata nal al fanjem fandi mandin ko la do wotu mole bal accept la into their system yenyi membe ko jam solo tande mandin kadi unom solo kurma nte ni solo kurma nyol la sato manjam fanyola ñil be mandin kaddiun leti kunu ite ko dabo mu hero leti ye mandin kaddiun le ñin stroke lo majority ma fo ko mandin kol dambanne ake bar mandin kaddiun le mu majority ti stroke lo ñin kono bar ne aju be biri ñim masa kundana ta 2016 ye demonstration follow me yake wo aketa kuran ko leti e ma ke fen kama because of UDP le be masa kunda ko because what mo UDP na kutola e masa kunda na kuto kuran be system o men ko dan biya be system o men ko bile wosta katambi kununa. Bari inene beje la bantale ni sobota sin metale kuno membe ke kam wole betata nyim masa kunda ko katambe bila birin tumo mena UDP be masa kunda ko bari wotumo birin masa kunda na tay kam mune fo ka fole ko bi buru sosela munati ne yafo ase buru sose because yaaje ko UDP ko lebe masa kunda nyin kon bari biri UDP botaje kuno men ka fo UDP nyim masa kunda ko buru sose bi wolle kanne ni roke nyim masa kunda to la yala because of muna mu UDP ko ne baro problem so to jompita kata baro no what these same people wolle ka fo ngele ko ananga join lo nga kelo ke nga banko nyin tangande ali nga do ko ke bari kunun wo masa kunda Amal Sane be finance minister mo be yala ko mismanagement man target so ñil mu molleti itel bemen no man niyo soto dro e kadel ko hani system o ñim man betea e ka lafle yentel converse ka kafo ma ka wo system ka bule no ma nim man bule no ma dro de tam o andu niaje ko nganyim fole ntol mandin kol manke mola jawti ñin gambe banko ka because mandin kol nene man ta mola sate to kata sappi moka because mbe we are intermarried itara society wo society kono e be sido tar la jel. But niaje ko siba ite ko itele siata ite you are pressurized by the minority. What ite majority there are something wrong within yourself. Mandin ko le siata ko membe Gambia ate dunia dulado bayo jaman jam yes ye different also to ye by result so yes why be so to many alko different language lam but ni man janna system le ni talo na language exist because they all speak Dutch. You can understand. So ni tata Senegal sur walle siata je today Senegal la parlement ko no sur wa kan ka foje But saying because of muneketa surwale most of the language men can speak je wala musurwa account. But be ni ko be alinga manding account loan de na state house ko be sound la nandumal because they hate that language. So until phone fana man nam fanje because until kala file ko ngam fanke ko comme control in civilized le pour nin soutiate te la wala et la système ka bule no. Imagine benyi diamo menaja mul ka fo ko UDP makoka. Imanta UDP mako ebe tonya foka ni manta UDP mako ka dead wo mo ila business olti e la kuma kan no e membo de UDP kon wo mo la business because akatra ka bari bota tonya le
thank you
ibota tonya le ba mo membe tonya foka ite ka fo ko ite manta parti mako ska so anyanta fan yale defend la pour wo mari neka ni e mo li kilif pan yaka ka fo men ko wo pan ya kilim wala be ngol ko didle so nga tonya fo nyoy membe kere nga ni tan nyola yella finna woka wole fisa ngete tulo dia ko mo fo fan yabe ko mo kanofo nyim pandere men kede is an insult GPU yemen fo na fiki yalla be kapo nyim kon because neatar no itel geno yinda bidim pandere nyim kuma ka fo ka fo rohi maliki loy ko UDP ngol man la fitela because of ila ibota siyo men kon ibe talbe electrica feyali dan ite mune atina ko etel man fundi ya fo pandere ko be nyim kuma ka men fo ka this is not journalist word ite mu journalist such kind of words will not come from you and I have radio station why they don't come out and condemn that. But because of Dabola response, they want to undermine Dabo Kaji ko Kabul during the Dabola Kanafu Kebe Dabo criticize la. What sort of nonsense is that?
GPU even Pura. Nabanya because Panderio word make a divisive is to be using divisive language in their media. So say why Panderio or divisive language is used. I use put UDP for but they don't care about anything. Member UDP it's not a problem. Anything Messi UDP can call doing it's not a problem. Anything member man call doing it's not a problem. But anything Maya Lonko, is against them. They will always come with their negative languages. They will always come with their bad intention to come and attack us. This is our problem, and our own people come and avoid it. Our own people they are professors. Our own people will make themselves go to and they will be there to support them in signing some of those bogus press releases. But they are, we know it. If they think they're control, we know the people who are leading GPU. We know them. We know their intention, and we know why they lead. We know the fight they did to remove all those people. They were potential people. They were in GPU. We know it. We know what is going on there. We know they are all agents. I dealt with some of the people there. Someone coming for one to go. Esa, it coming for one to Gambia. Nungo Gambia Tanya. Nimmo Toya for your bill or let a lie. Nimba Nyoto. Let nobody joke. But Toya for Noe, the Fitina Kumako for your Kumo Ned in Kiso Nola for Noe. Sign can know Mana Poor Bantele. Ha. Mana Poor is completely finished. Tonya for you and we move on. Nimmo Toya for you. We will never go anywhere else. I am telling you the truth.
Bayo, yalo, ye President Barrow je. President Barrow mo jaw baleti. Ande yalo muniketa. President Barrow ay be nyim penko bela wala kinan koy kontel la mandin kadi on le former from value. President Barrow la nyin campaign membe tambe de joma le use. Le use to attack their fellow mandinka.
Yes.
Mandinka diun wala lota platform auto. Kafo mandin call better ne be siren ten. Amad jide mandinka diunet. Badembo mandinka diunet. Isi continue ka nyelle kalle kafo ko mandin call better ne be siren ten. But bi wo mandinka diun jama bejebi. Birimanta kundata ta isita. E jama beje te kila fent. E jama beje nama ke ambassadeur protocole lum, ambassy council lum, fenkol lum, bar place kuma beke tel jam fandale kam dako. Hani tata na justice system juba be jube kam dako mandi. Ite how come ite you are majority in the country but you are marginalized in your own country damen to ko ite majority te. Wo mansa kundata sino la bankoka. Ning ayatare ko ite ma involve mansa kunda, ite ma mansa kunda nyimba. So, but at the same time, we can make a marginalize your banko nyinka. Mandin kadiun le kafundi kaneni roke. Ma ite mandin kadiun le tu, eka mandin kadiun le pus nyo mandin ka alfalika. Nko bayo yalo politiko sike nyawnya ila alfa bunya yep society wo society ja ajube sainte mandin kadiwon kanyim membeke Ibrahima Silla nyol fundira jane kuma kunta fo Dr. Samate ñol be funta jay ta campagne la ami fabure ñol be funta jay ta campagne la tangara enene maaje baro la campagne dula enen mam mamburen jay jeje enen mam bale amiri job jeje e silo ñoka alaji sisi enene meje campagne dula do bari ka mun fo ki wa kaw ñol lam wala so selen so e ke telle use ke la mo siol nene ni nafasi ta yetel pusindi koma be ka e birim baro ganye tay ka mun fo jama ya celebrate because ya feel ko le mandin ko le defeat but who we are leading that struggle the same mandin ko li yolle use against mandin kasi yen divided ya ni tandi na yen dambon ke nyo jawoti ete le nyo sabana nyoka ni ajube bi most of these other tribes ni ya fodore se fundi nan ha ni mu tribalism te lebe UDP nko ndela haji tije ni memba fola because mo jamale kante kili ko mu tribalism but nte ngalo ne ko manke tribalist alale ka adama dum jojinde nte manke amola mo yen kilime na as far as ite manke alate te jojinde la wala nte la joji wobe alale bu yente kilime na ala yalo ne manke woti nte fo ngalo manke woti bare nakuma kan ka fo ko membe keri ngofo ni en tam as a tribalist wo mi la business wolti e ka understand bari membe keri nyim banko nyin ka jutun na ya nyinem bari wo jutun na ya bu kala fi ko mol daya fo niya fo le ka fo ko mbemu kilinde te bar sama tadi din ku keta mandin ko la sete tayeta wo mo kilinde ka fo mo kilinde yete la comment sol jube ali nganna alfal bunya ni mel alfal bunya mol katul ngela mo men yalon ko bi wolle ka dabo neni ni mandin kadu ni be dabo neni kay bajele be na la fale la platform te ba fla ko ite mo you are patriotic citizen but wo mo men ke support taba yekuba fo Halifa Sallah
never thank you
for Halifa le fisera dabo why they don't attack no other political party leaders Halifa feo fenke wo banko ka it is okay for them ni Halifa ma mo kilo men be baro ko ma mo kilo le kanaka Halifa defend today, Halifa is so fenke. Halifa is a patriotic citizen. Halifa is the only perfect human being in that country.
Thank you.
But
This point is very clear. These people may allow NPP. Even whatever Halifa make, they will never attack. Because attacking Halifa is like attacking themselves. It will only attack. So because Halifa attack, because Halifa mutako, okay, Halifa is a patriolam, but Halifa is somebody may alonko. I mean, it all Halifa mutoleti. So it is not the Halifa attack day. Whatever Halifa make it, Halifa finta jana President Barrow attack. Body emilaje, President Barrow attack jana no kabrin President attack. Body emilaje, none of them attack Halifa because milaka Halifa jana ko Halifa mutoleti. And Halifa emina potolma. So Halifa fana yalo noko.
Exactly.
Because Nyajibe, Alifa la mol, wole kate President Barrow ya Alifa Bali because of Alifa, Yalonoko Alifa is not going anywhere. Yalonoko is not going to be a president in this country. But Dolla Mol, Beli Alonko, ye fange committal, they are so-called intellectuals, ye fange committal, the current dunya, ye fan semendi don't imalongo. Missionary, Alifa missionary salty. Niafo dole sa look, Alifa is a special missionary. Alifa mu a tool to divide us, a tool to reduce our power. Alifa mu because everybody knows Alifa is not going to be a president in this country. Everybody knows that, inshallah, because Alifa doesn't have the support. Alifa doesn't have the percentage. 3% of the population of this country. How could that person be a president? Let's go. Let's explain. But a person, you have seen the potential in him. You've seen the numbers in him.
Yeah.
You don't want that person to be a leader because you hate him because the tribe you come from. The next step is to UDP kanule, UDP more settle, but now UDP call support because UDP ale Usain Dabule ka allow Pabinya Kotole, allow Kiba. It's like but but not Kotode. Because Yalo Noko, Ablawana Senegal, how many years as Senegal? Ablawana Senegal said, when did Ablawana have Senegal? At the age of what? At the age of 80. Ablawana Senegal said at the age of 80. Usenda Amon 80, Ekapaliako, Usenda Kototare. Ekapaliako, Nikiba Fellow, when they know that Usenda have the knowledge, Londo Babule. Yaloko Londo Babule. Ayaloko Anganio Bala. You have the intention to Gambia body. But no, ibe mena kala iba jun iba ko sen da muta ka jurundal alla lolna momi yalon ko ay loke ay hamo sudo banko e ka jurundi wala so it will and they there to promote their own people. So this is what's happened. Ibuka Ali never attack Alifa, they never on art. They attack as their own. So Dola Mol mel be kono wala ka usin da attack Dola Mol mel be kono wala kan Dola Mol taki attack because mila kada Dola Mol ya jela kon Dola value so you fana ya go yes as their own people believe on value as their own people are caricaturing them because they are tribalists. Let's join their own people and caricature them as tribalists. And now if you come out
bayo
come from defender iba ha you be morland ibe jam palanale iba duk moment jam patadi moment ya nga kamal la fila iko man la fina we can only ndada ne fongo be ke we give them houses, we give them water, we give them everything, but they still ko e mon la fina but tolmo olonde at the end of the selection and then last places they have in you know very well, especially in your basi. There are people they are intelligent, they have the knowledge. But why they don't select them? Because the tribe they come from, why they don't select them? The tribe they come from. And but they know very well
exactly.
Knowledge
and
they people. But they don't know them because of the
that is it. Yalo bayo ntaka nyim fole. Ntolu na ko bala fa wara batale. Yalo ila alfale ni me value. Ite fanante value la kotake. Ni aje ko Gambia bi ntel mandin ka fondin kewle ni aju be bi mbe do yarin Gambia ko do bayo mbe ko makilim fole. Ni NPP la ni mandin ka dindiun men bebe je bebe nene dola. Nko yalo ne ko wallahi ijama beje sarakul le ka kodo dila itelle ani nyin si koto le ka kodo dila itela pour yeta bulela alfal bari won men ka kodo ditela pour yeta ite fona alfal la wala alfal wol be jamo le kuma fo ko hanni mun ku kurne ke mun kuma lefo wallahi ene barola ni campagne be nene ta nene man audio fa moy ko fulo le fela be bla ka alfa fo fulo de politico ko
and you see Esa and Esa fela jonta point is very clear. Esa can you blame me for that? Esa you have to come back. Esa can you blame me for that? It's very clear. Yaje, thank you very much. Isa ye point is on a point me along. This point is very important. Musa Drame ya make sure ko nanyi man ka dinumul be ay korasi ka ay adila kunum ko mbafu kanjan. Nanyi man ka dinumul be Musa Drame beta ay korata ay allocate all of them. Musa Drame korata ay allocate be yaram bamba ani daranka. Musa Drame korata ay allocate je nanyi man ka dinumul be because they want to use them to come and insult us. Ilan yung man ka dinumul be chong.